As we learned the Mishna Yomis, sponsored by Fisher Family, Nishmas Basi Bas Robert, Shlomo ben Avram Alevi, Perel Bas Ruvain, also Nishmas Dav ben Chaim, Lefu Shalem Fel Yomish Mechai Sar, Yaakov ben Bas Yaleah, for the schus of Avram ben Yom Meish Mamak Yehudis, by Yoel Klugman and family, also Lefu Shalem for Moshe Meir ben Esther Fadel, Avigdor ben Rifkin, Bas Chai Sar, Yitzhak ben Sim ben Dusha, Rivka Bas Shiva Leah, Chana Bas Shashabina, Am ben Sarah, Nachman Yaakov ben Sarah, Achaleah Bas Rivka, Esther Fradel Bas Chana, and Meir ben Chayesar, they should have a refuah shalema b'seich shar chayla Yisrael. So we're up to now Mishna Gimel in the fourth parak. So hamafrish mois l'chatasai, if somebody separates money for his sin offering, v'avdu, and it gets lost, v'hifrish mois acherim tachteim, and then he separates other money. If he didn't get a chance to buy the chatas until he finds the first monies, so then he should take some from the first money and some from the second money. He should take some from the first money and some from the second money and buy the chatas. Vashar, and the surplus from the two goes to the Beis Hamikdash to bring olos l'kayetz hamizbeach, when business is slow on the mizbeach. Now, hamafrish mois l'chatosei va'avdu, if he separates money for his sin offering and he lost it, v'hifrish chatas tachteyan, and he then separates an animal. Lo hispik lakriva ad shenimtzu amois, if he didn't get a chance to bring it until he found the money, and in the meantime the animal became a balmum, varichatas balmum, no problem. Timocher, sell the animal, and then use some of the monies from the sale and some of the monies, original money that you found, v'yavi me'elu chatas, and the surplus of the two, v'ashar yiplu l'dava, is used for oilus l'kayetz hamizbeach. Now, next case, hamafrish chatasoi v'avda, if he separates, let's say Dr. Black separates a chatas and he lost it. V'hifrish mois tachtea, and he separates money in its stead. Lo hispik likach b'hem chatas, he didn't get a chance to buy a chatas ad shenimtzu chatasoi, until he finds the first one. V'harihi balas mum, but when he found it, it got banged up and it has a mum. So again, no problem. Timacher, sell it, and then again, he should use the money from the sale, some money from the sale, and some money from the new money that he set aside. V'yavi me'elu chatas, and the surplus, v'ashar yiplu l'nedava. Now, the plot thickens. Hamafrish chatasai v'avda, he separates his chatas and he loses it. V'hifrish acheres tachta, he separates a second one. So he lost A and he separates B. Lo hispik la'akriva, he didn't get a chance to offer up B ad shenimtzas harishayna, until he finds the first one. V'arishtayin balas mum, now both of them got a mum, so again, no problem. Yimachru, sell both of them. V'yavi me'elu chatas, and bring from the two of them a sin offering. V'ashar, and the surplus is yiplu l'nedava. However, now, hamafrish chatasai v'avda. Here, Dr. Black separates his chatas, he loses it. V'hifrish acheres tachtea, he separates a second one. Lo hispik lakriva, he didn't get a chance to offer it at shenimtzas harishayna until he finds the first one, and now varishteim tamimos, now they're both here and ready. Achas me'em tikr chatas, one should be offered as a chatas, and now it's the other one is a chatas shekipru balea, and therefore it has to die. Vashniya Thomas, the second one has to die. Divrei Rebbe, that's the opinion of Rebbe. The Chachamim say no. Ein chatas meisa el shenimtzas me'achar shekipru abayim. It would only die if Dr. Black offered the second one and then he found the first one. But here, where both of them were standing and both of them were ready to be offered, and money doesn't go into Yam HaMelech, it's only if it was found after he already offered the second one. But before that, since each of them was fit to be brought at the same time, you offer one of them, and the other, in the case of an animal, is left until it gets a mum, and you use its money for kayetz hamizbeach, or the purse you use l'kayetz hamizbeach. Now, hamafish chatasai, if you separate your chatas vari balas mum, and it got blemished, meichra, you sell it, v'yava b'damei acheres, and you bring with its money another one. Now, let's say Dr. Black separated a chatas, it got a mum, and he sold the animal that was with a mum, he sold it to Dr. Yudel. And now, Rabbi Elazar Reb Shimon Omer, Rabbi Elazar Reb Shimon says, Im korva ashniya, if Dr. Black offered the one the new one, actually nishcha tarishayna, before Dr. Yudel got a chance to shech the balmum, it has to die. Thomas. Shekvar kiplu abayim. The owner already received the atonement, and therefore, since the owner received the atonement, this is a chatas shekipru baleha, and even though it was sold to Dr. Black, it has to be left to die. That's the opinion of Rabbi Elazar Reb Shimon. We want to thank you all for joining us for this triple header tonight, and wish everybody a wonderful evening.